Ang present perfect. Ang present perfect sentences ay nabubuo gamit ang have kasama ang participle form ng pandiwa. Ang estruktura ay subject plus have o has plus ang past participle. Sa negative sentences, hindi nilalagay pagkatapos ng have o has sa isang contracted o uncontracted.
You haven't seen that movie. She has
Hindi
flown in a
mo pa
plane. We make
nakikita ang
yes, no
pelikulang iyon.
questions by
Siya
putting
ay nakasakay
have
na
or
sa
has
eroplano.
before the
Gumagawa
subject
tayo ng yes-no
and adding
questions
a
sa
past
pamamagitan ng
participle.
paglalagay ng have o has bago ang subject at pagbadragdag ng past participle verb. Kumain na ba siya ng tanghalian? Nagising na ba sila? At
Where have you been? Why hasn't she finished her homework? Let's take a look at how the
bakit
present perfect
hindi pa niya
is
natatapos
used.
ang kanyang homework?
Firstly, it's
Tingnan
used
natin
to
kung
describe
paano
an
ang present
action.
perfect ay ginagamit. Una, ginagamit ito para ilarawan ng isang aksyon na nangyari sa isang hindi tiyak na oras sa nakaraan. Ako ay nakapunta na sa Japan dati. Hindi ko sinasabi kung kailan. Sinasabi ko lang na nakapunta na ako doon. Ginagamit ito para ipahayag na may nangyari sa isang oras bago ang ngayon, para tumukoy sa isang tiyak na oras sa nakaraan.
では、現在完了形に移りましょう。現在完了形の文は have と過去分詞を使って作られます。その構造は主語プラス have または has プラス過去分詞です。この否定文では not は have の後または has の後に短縮形または非短縮形で使われます。私は食べていません。タイ料理を。あなたはそれを見ていません。彼女は飛行機に乗ったことがあります。イエス・ノーの質問は have または has を主語の前に置いて作ります。そして過去分詞
Have they woken up? And we make W. Let's move on.
현재 완료로요. 현재 완료 문장은 have를 사용하고 과거 분사를 사용하여 만듭니다. 동사의 구조는 주어 플러스 have 또는 has 플러스 과거 분사입니다. 부정문에서는 have 또는 has 뒤에 not이 오고 대체로 줄임말로 또는 줄이지 않은 형태로 씁니다. 저는 아직 먹지 않았어요. 당신은 아직 보지 못했어요. 그녀는 비행기를 타고 왔어요. 우리는 예 아니요 질문을 만들 때 have나 has를 주어 앞에 둡니다. 그리고 과거 분사를 추가합니다. 그녀는 점심을 먹었나요? 그들은 일어났나요? 그리고 우리는 WH
Sentence. Where have you been? Let's move on to the present perfect. Present perfect sentences are formed using have with the participle form of the verb. The structure is subject plus have or has plus the past participle. In negative sentences, not goes after have or has in a contracted or uncontracted form. I have not eaten Thai food. You haven't seen that movie. She has flown in a plane. We make yes-no questions by putting have or has before the subject and adding a past participle verb. Has she eaten lunch? have they woken up? And we make WH questions by putting the question word at the beginning of the sentence. Where have you been? Why hasn't she finished her homework? Let's take a look at how the present perfect is used. Firstly, it's used to describe an action that took place at an indefinite time in the past. I have been to Japan before. I'm not saying when, I'm just saying that I have been there. It's used to express that something happened at some point in a time before now. To refer to a specific time, past tenses are needed, and we will get there. Note that we can use the present perfect with a word which refers to an unfinished time. Today, this week, this morning, this year. I've seen her this week. We also use the present perfect tense to describe an action that began in the past and continues to the present.